Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your stats in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you're in Call of Duty main menus, press the Option button on PS5 or the Menu button if you have an Xbox controller. This will bring up the Quick menu. Select Stats from the bottom left of the menu. Here you can choose between MW3 multiplayer, zombies and ranked stats. Select the one you want to see. Here you will be able to view in-depth stats about your performance, such as your KD, win-loss ratio and time played. You can also see stats about each gun as well as view your recent games. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Call of Duty tips and tricks.